to another episode of Baked. My name is Snehal Kumar, and I'll be your host. Our contestants will have 1 hour to make apple cinnamon cupcakes with cream cheese frosting. Now let's go learn about our contestants.
Hi, my name is Madhuri Maniyar. I'm 17 years old, and I go to Clements High School, and I am a vegan prodigy chef.
I love meat. My name is Nini Fan. I'm 17 and go to Clements High School, and I'm here to support my family.
Hi, my name is George Romero. I'm 17 years old, and I'm just here to take my shot.
Oh yeah. apples.
Contestants, begin! Let the bake-off begin now.
Move! Okay, no, we're starting. Okay. How much flour do I need? 1 1/4 cup. Where's the 1 1/4 cup?
This is mine. This is mine.
That's for liquids. That's not for dry solid things.
What's a freak? It's like measuring
It's not the same thing.
Where's 1 and 1/4? Oh my god. A cup is so much stuff. Oh my god.
Oh, I need 1 teaspoon of baking powder right there.
No! I got 1 and 1/2 cup.
So much.
How much tablespoon of baking powder? Half a teaspoon. Oh no. I can take it out now.
Oh my god.
Hi, I'm feeling very, very stressed. I really want to beat George because everybody always thinks of him as this like really smart guy, and I want to prove to everybody.
Using an electric mixer on medium speed.
I want to prove to everybody that he's stupid. So gotta beat him today.
The butter. Madhuri, a vegan chef? Yeah, right. I'm pretty sure she's not even vegan. She's just here for the attention.
Should I start over? Can I start over?
No! Nini, I don't think she even knows where she is. She probably just thinks she's in her kitchen and random people went into her house.
I really want to start over. Wait, it says if there's too much baking powder, they
1/4
can
cup
be
of unsalted
vomiting
butter.
and diarrhea. I have to start over.
Nini,
Are you gonna give your judges diarrhea?
I don't want to. I put too much baking soda.
Butter too.
Where's the trash
1/4
can?
cup.
1/4 cup.
Whoa, that's a lot of butter. Okay, where's your knives? Madhuri, where's the knives?
You're starting over again. You're losing time. What are you doing? Oh my god, you're not gonna win with this. You're not gonna be able to fun for your family.
Pass out. One of my competitors, Nini, she kind of like, she kept messing up. Like, I've never met a chef that's this stupid. Like, how do you put in so much baking powder? Like, what the heck? She had to start over. She's just like, I just can't deal with like dumb chefs. Like, they're very annoying.
Added bread and sugar. What cup?
Get it! Ugh. I need a bigger bowl. My life is such a mess.
How's it going?
Car.
Are you copying me?
No. Why does his butter look like that and mine look like this?
Because you messed up. I'm going. No!
Your butter is not creamy.
Shut up!
What is this?
Your mom.
Yeah, yours
I need an egg. I've never cracked an egg in my life. I'm a vegan. Oh my god! Being the vegan chef that I am, I'm on this no eggs path and no dairy, right? So I use absolutely no eggs in my cupcakes just to go on with my vegan passion. Oh my god, I just cracked an egg! Wow! It's not fair. It's not fair. They keep on taking the ham mixer Oh my god.
Why'd you help him? Where's the whisk? Why'd you use my whisk?
I wanted to use it.
Okay, vanilla.
Why'd you help?
I'm adding a little more, just for like my little finesse, you know?
Finesse.
It'll bring out the flavors, trust me.
Mine's looking quite good. So. I don't know how to cut these. I'm scared.
Where's the peeler?
Up your butt. Oh, it's right here. I'm scared.
I got it, don't worry. It's not working.
What is this? Are you gonna grade it?
Nice.
Why does mine look like this and look theirs look like that? Why is it a different color?
I chose to keep the skin to add some more texture to my cupcakes.
I did not. Mine looks like skin, like human skin.
I got.
Yeah.
I hate George. It's because he got
Okay, can I put
cry.
Muffin tins! Muffin tins. Muffin spoon. Where's this? Oh, did I?
Stop! Hey, you can't do that.
Okay, 20 to 25 minutes.
Holly, what's the time?
Oh, did I?
Stop! Hey, you can't do that.
Okay, 20 to 25 minutes. 20
30 more minutes left.
Perfect. Now I have time to make my frosting.
I'm
Frost house.
separating my. Oh,
Can you imagine Tony?
I'm separating my batter.
Oh, wait a minute.
You know, it's all about quality control.
Wait, this has 4 cups.
I like it.
Hey, taste is more important.
Stop, I'm sweaty.
Where's your sponge? Do you have a sponge? I
don't get this.
Is this mine?
No!
Y'all get out of my way.
Always wash your hands.
Shut up. That looks absolutely terrible.
Gotta clean these. There's raw egg on this.
Going so far, George.
It's going really well. You know, it's really good to mix water and power cords.
How are you feeling, Marty?
I'm really stressed. Give me this! No!
Where's the fucking bowl? Somebody took my bowl. Sabotage. Where's my fucking bowl? No, she took it from me now.
Where are your scissors?
His face when he came out with it.
I'm putting cream cheese.
It doesn't look like that. It's
The butter. There you go.
No, you took some of that butter. There's butter in that mommy.
Vanilla, salt, powder, vanilla, salt, vanilla.
Frack. Oh, frack. Bigger frack. Why am I so bad at this? How am I supposed to get through? I want to cry. Oh my god. We can run.
Kind of pretty confident, I guess.
How many
You don't look
hours?
so confident.
It's rough. Your mom.
Stop.
More stressful than school.
Wait, where's the powder? Oh, there it is.
Y'all are all garbage. I never thought of myself as an underdog. I actually thought of myself as like Overdog.
Why do we have so many times right?
I never thought of myself as an underdog. I actually thought myself. I have 10 minutes left. Let me go check on them. Mom! Oh! You stepped on my foot. Good. I'll be like, wrong. Oh, my cupcakes are looking so good. Yay! They haven't put in their cinnamon yet. That's why
I did. I already put in my cinnamon.
Maybe it could be a wet frosting.
I added more cinnamon because I thought that I needed a little more cinnamon. No.
You're copying me. Copy frickin' right.
I added more powdered sugar to firm up my icing so that it holds up on top of the cupcake.
That's
because-
such bull crap. He doesn't even know what he's doing. He's an amateur.
Oh.
5 more minutes.
I'm getting my cupcake. I'm so hot. What are you stuck?
Was that thing that's on the ground go?
No.
Wait, did somebody see where that thing on the ground was?
You're gonna try. It's cooked, and you can see my little slices of apple in there.
Mine tastes really good.
Really?
Yeah.
Shoot. Aww.
I'm not worried at all.
I like mine.
I'm just gonna.
I should probably try one, right?
Her cupcakes look really, really bad. They look like poo.
Frickin' watch your back.
Wait, don't say anything yet.
How is it?
Ready?
Oh my god, he's nervous. It doesn't taste good.
I think they're really, really good. Sometimes it's not always about looks. It's about what's on the inside that matters. Don't laugh at my cupcakes! Shut up! Hey, get out of my way!
Shit, why is it? Okay, well, that's a practice.
Who pooped on that?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands off, hands off, hands off.
Oh no!
Oh, yeah, I wasn't next to my phone.
Present your plates to the judges.
Hello.
Hello.
So here in front of you, you have a apple cinnamon cupcake with cinnamon cream cheese frosting with sliced apples for a crunchy effect.
I'm a little confused by these apples on the side.
I said it was for crunchy effect.
It's really weird.
Yeah.
I wouldn't do that.
This attitude is not helping.
The taste is pretty good.
Thanks.
I really like the frosting.
Thank you.
The cinnamon and the apple flavor really meshes well.
Thank you.
Your cupcakes are a little tough.
No, they're not. They're literally.
I'm not getting a lot of apple within the cupcake.
Well, try. Because I tasted it before and it tasted fine.
I also expected the presentation to be a little better.
A lot better.
Like, really, a lot
A
better.
lot better.
Next contestant, Madhuri Maniar.
Oh.
Maybe my oh. Okay, so I made an apple cupcake with big apple chunks inside because I like crunchy. So you get the crunchy of the apple and the soft of the cupcake. So you get like 2 in 1. So I made an apple cupcake, and then on top I made a cinnamon cream cheese frosting. But then I added an apple on top as decoration and to remind you of the crunchy inside.
I'm confused on why you put this on.
Yeah.
Take it off.
It looks really lazy.
It does.
And then the frosting looks
Poop-like.
interesting.
Why does your poop look like that? Mine is not.
We have a lot to say about these cupcakes.
The cupcake kind of tastes like sand, and the frosting is really overpowering.
Why have you tasted sand before? You've been in the beach and you just stuck your face in the sand and tasted it?
Yes.
Whatever.
It's really grainy, and I took a bite of this apple.
Uh-huh.
No.
You came in as the underdog, and you really lived up to your expectations.
And the last contestant, George Romero.
Wow.
Wow.
Okay, hi judges. I made an apple cinnamon cupcake with a cream cheese apple cinnamon icing and an apple wafer to add a bit of color and a little bit of texture on the top.
Wow.
Hope you enjoy.
Why are you here?
You know, it's just really hard being good at everything sometimes, and I just want to challenge myself. Like, it's so hard.
It looks really good.
It looks
But
really good, but I
it's
think
kinda
it's
hard.
kind of burnt.
Yeah, I think so too. You see this black on the bottom? Shouldn't be there.
To add some color.
It tastes kind of weird.
Weird?
If you look at the bottom.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's kind of stuck. It's really hard to peel off.
I think you eat the top before you turn it around.
I don't know if it's supposed to be this crunchy.
There's some texture in
The
there.
frosting is amazing, but the cupcake, it's really lacking something.
Hmm,
I expected much more from you, George.
Yeah. Me too.
really?
Yeah. Oh.
I think I'm gonna win because first of all, George burnt his cupcakes, even though they did kind of look kind of good. He burnt them, and then Monterey's looks like poop. I think that I'm gonna win because I just have a lot more knowledge than most chefs do. Like George, he's just here for the clout. Nini's just got lost coming here. So I'm the only like qualified chef, and I'm so passionate about my work, and I just put so much time and effort into my cupcake. So that's why I'm gonna win.
I think I'm gonna win because I'm good.
Judges, have you made your decision?
Yes, I
Yes,
think
we
we
came
have.
to a conclusion.
Okay. Contestants, the decision has been made. The chef who's been baked is
I'm really sorry, Monterey, but it's your time to go. Better luck next time.
Man, I really thought I had this in the bag. I'm the only real chef there, man. I was really close though. It was a good fight.
this was a tough decision to make. But the chef that's been baked is
That was fucking rigged.
I'm sorry, George. It was a really hard decision.
It's rigged, guys. They don't want me to succeed. I'll definitely be back. Definitely be back.
Congratulations, Nini. You're the winner. You received the satisfaction of winning and
and $25,000.
What? Where? Huh?
You said at the